What's going on, everyone? This is Dom, and today we are checking out the secret water resistance of the OnePlus 5T. Now, I did a previous video on this with the OnePlus 5, and if you want to check that out, there's a link in the description for you. But a lot of people are concerned with this guy because it doesn't have an official IP rating, which means that technically it's not supposed to stand up against dust and water and things like that, accidental conditions that you might encounter in your everyday life. And that's simply not true. This guy can actually survive a little bit of water, surprisingly, and we're gonna test that out today. But I do not recommend doing this with your phone at home. All right, so when we're talking about everyday average situations with this guy, people wash the dishes, people wash their hands. Let's see how it stands up to the sink here real quick. And we're just gonna go ahead and put this guy underneath the sink. And there we go. Water running all over the place. You can see it's like touching the screen a bunch. But there we go. Just totally submerging this guy. All right, so one thing I did notice is the water just kind of beads off of the back of here, but let's dry this off real quick. And give a little rub down. So fingerprint sensor still works. We still have our fingerprint sensor working. That's not a problem. Everything works there. The face unlock works just fine. Let's go ahead and test the speakers real quick. Just throw on a YouTube video. And they sound like they have a little water in it, but you can actually hear the water, or you can see it like coming out of the speakers. And I mean, they're just as good as they were when I opened the phone, so we're good. All right, so now it is time for the dunk test. And how will this thing last if we just, well, dunk it in a bowl of water? Let's find out. So let's go ahead and get this ready here. Oh no! Oh my gosh. I'm gonna leave it for a second. All right, I'm going in for it. All right, so got this out of here. Let's go home. Dry this sucker off real quick. Largest microfiber cloth in the world. Fingerprint sensor still works just fine. Let's see our face unlock. Face unlock works. Let's get this some water out of the speakers here. We should be good as far as like videos and stuff go. Yeah. I mean, the honesty part about this, that the speakers sound like they were wet, but as soon as you get all the water out of them, they're good as new. But honestly, like, there's no problems with this whatsoever. It seems to be working. I'm obviously not going to plug in the charging port just now, but it looks like it's all good. And finally, we're ready for the dreaded toilet test. So we've all been there before. Don't lie. Having a good time. Drop your phone in the toilet. Happens to us all. But let's just get it nice and clean in there. Oh, I don't even want to press the button. But everything's working. I mean, we're good. Like, we're totally good. Let's get into another video here real quick and just play something.
It's not always easy getting everyone into the car, but you know what?
It's loud, and again, I'm about to blow toilet water. Blow out your speakers, and you are good to go. Everything is totally fine here. I mean, it may not be IP rated, but this thing is most certainly water resistant to a degree. But again, I don't recommend trying this or any of these activities on your own. Anybody want a phone? Man, I guess we really put the T in the meaning of OnePlus 5T. All right, so that about wraps it up for this video. And yes, the OnePlus 5T is secretly water resistant, just like its sibling, the OnePlus 5. And it works just fine. No problems at all. The speakers work great. Everything is okay. I don't recommend trying this at home, but in case you were curious, well, here's your answer. Let me know what you think about this in the comments section below. Be sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this video and leave it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. This is Dom, and I'll catch you in the next video.